Hello everyone, welcome to Elementor Pro series. In this series, I will explain about all Elementor Pro widgets. Not only that, I will show you how easily you can create really cool options using those Pro widgets. In this tutorial, I will show you everything about the Gallery widget. Also, I will create those cool sections using the Awesome widget. I'm Fad Ahmed with you, the instructor. Let's get started. By the way, if you don't have Elementor Pro, you can get that from the link in the description. And trust me, if you don't have Elementor Pro, you will be missing out on a lot of things. And as you're learning Elementor Pro from me, I also have a special gift for you. So check out the description. Alright, so this is our gallery widget. Let's first have a look what options we have for this widget. At first we will drag this here. Then from here we can select our images. Let's click here, click in new gallery. We can orientation our image like this. Okay, now click insert the gallery. Okay, here is our images, but the images are a little bit blurry. You can see here is the image size medium 300 by 300. We will make it medium large. Okay, our images are more sharper than before. Here first we have an option type. We can select it multiple. You see here is the option all and there is no images. We can also create a gallery from here. Here is the gallery name, new gallery. I am changing it web development. You see here the text is changed. Now we can create another item. Select the images like this one, and this one. Insert gallery. Okay, we can name it to work. Here it is. Now if we click the web development, you will see the 3 web development item only, and if you click the work, you will see the work items only. If you click the all, we will see the all items here. For now, I am clicking the single. So here is our images. You can change the order from here, like random or default. If I scroll down, you will see the images are coming up with a nice fading effect. Now if we turn off this one, the lazy load, the nice animation effect will be gone. We will keeping it for now. See the effect? Okay, we can change the column from 4 to 3. This one. Okay, you can change the spacing between those images. I'm keeping it to 15. Okay, you can also link a media or your custom URL from here. Here is the aspect ratio 3:2. If we change it, you will see the image size will be changing. We will keeping this one 3:2. Okay, here is also an option called layout. If we click the justified one, you can see here the full image. Now if we click the masonry ones, you can see the full height of the images this way. Okay, for now I am selecting the grid on. Then here is the option overlay. You can change this from here By default it's turned on. If we hover those images, we will see dark effect on our images. Okay, you can add a title or description on your image. Like if I click the title, and now if I will hover this, you will see here is the title. You can also add description like this. Like if I also add a title and hover this, here is the title and this is the description. For now I am leaving the description. Okay, now we will go to the style tab. From here you can add a border, set a border width. You can change the color from here like this. You can change the border radius. I don't want this. Okay, you can use CSS filter here on your image like this. Back to default. Okay, you can select the hover animation from here. Like I'm selecting the zoom in effect here. Now if we hover those images, you will see the image will be zoomed in. Now we will go to the overlay. We can add overlay from here. Like we can add a color like this or this one. Okay, you can set any blend mode. I'm leaving it normal. Now if we go to the hover option, you can change the hover color from here. I'm selecting the red on. The opposite will be this. Okay, now I will select a blend mode like darken. Now if we hover this, you can see how it's working. Okay, now if we go to the content, we will see this content. We can change the alignment like left. It will be from left. We can change it from right. It will be from right. I'm setting the center one. You can also set this one from vertical position like top. It will start from top. I will set this default middle one. Okay, you can also increase or decrease the padding. Here is the title color. You can change the color like the black. Here it is. We don't want this. Okay, you can also change the typography of this title by clicking here. The font size, font weight, letter spacing like this. Let's increase the size of the font. See? Okay, then you can change the hover animation effect. Like here is fade in. I will select move up. Let's hover it. Okay, this is so cool. Click to the shrink. Okay, this is also cool. You can select this option whatever you like. Okay, this is cool. Now here is the advanced option. You can set margin, padding, the Z index, and the ID and the class. You can also add a background here like this one. You can set padding this way. Cool. Now let's create a few cool sections using this widget, so you would get a better idea how to use this widget in real life. And before moving forward, make sure you like this video and subscribe into this YouTube channel. Otherwise, you may don't find those valuable videos on your home feed next time. So make sure you have liked this video and subscribe into this channel. Now let's create. For this, we will delete this item. Now we will drag the gallery here. We can do something. We can add a title here. Elementor Pro gallery. Okay, now click this one. Now set the images. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Now this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, let's create the gallery. We can orientation our image. Okay, let's insert the gallery. We will set the image size to medium large. Okay, now it's looking good. We can change this title, center, go to advanced, margin bottom 40 pixel. We can increase the font size. Okay, now click it again. Here's the cool options also. If we click those images, it will be open on a lightbox. Nice image slider from here. Close this. Okay, now we will change the grid to masonry. So here it is. Now we can see our full images. We will make it 3 columns. Okay, this is better. I can remove some images from here. Maybe this one. Okay, I'm keeping it for now. If we select the none, the image will be not open in a lightbox. So make sure you have to select the media file. Okay, now you can see the images on lightbox. Okay, now go to the overlay. I want the title here. Here it is. Now we go to the style. I'm leaving it as it is, but I will change the hover animation. This one for now, move up. Now if we hover the image, you will see the nice effect. The image is popping up. Okay, now we'll go to the overlay. We will select the hover. Color will be this one, and we'll reduce the opacity. We will select a blend mode like darken. Now see how it's working nicely. Okay, cool. Now go to the content, title. We can change the typography. For the font size will be 30 pixel. Okay, it's looking really nice. Now we will create another gallery. For this we will go to here and we will click here and take a new section. Okay, now take the gallery here. Now we will select the type into multiple. Here it is. We will select images, this one, and this one. Insert gallery. We will name it to work. Okay, now we will create another one. Select the images like this one, and this one. Insert gallery. We will name it to nature. Okay, added another one. Select the images like this one, and this one. Insert gallery, I've named it to city. You can create another one, this one, and this one. Insert gallery, we will name it to web development. Okay, now you can see there is a menu for this gallery. The image is blurry, we will set medium large. Okay, if we click the work, you will see only the images under the work item. Then if you click the nature, you will see the images, only the nature items, city and web development. And if you click the all, you will see the all images here. If you go to the style, here is option filter bar. We will change the text color to this one, and hover, we will select this one, and the pointer color will be this one. Active color will be this, and the pointer also this. Okay, you can change the space between those items. This. You can also change the column into 3 columns. It's looking nice. Here is extra one. If you want, you can delete this. Now it's looking great. If we go to the tablet view, you will see here is the 2 column, the masonry one, and here it is also 2 column. We can make it 3 column from here, only tablet. And if we go to the mobile versions, we can see the column is 1. We can also make it 2, 3. I'm leaving it to 1. Alright, so this is it for now. If you want to know about all the details of other Elementor Pro widgets, I have a complete tutorial on that. I will put that link in the description also. If you want to learn how to create a website from scratch using Elementor or Elementor Pro, you can check out other full website creation tutorials. I will put these links in the description as well. And if you need any professional help regarding Elementor, WordPress or e-commerce, from small minor fixing to a complete website creation, you can contact through our website. Just go to the heywordpress.com and click to the make my website button. It will fly you to this page you might be searching for. Here is a simple form, just fill it up and click to the submit request button. We will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. See you soon.